Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2015 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.